If you want higher email open rates in Mailchimp, one of the smartest things you can do is use the content optimizer to improve your email before you send it. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can create better performing campaigns, improve your message quality, and give your emails a stronger chance of getting opened and clicked. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Campaigns section and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps your email campaigns, and it's also where you'll start building or editing the email you want to optimize. Next, click on Email Templates. Templates are useful because they give you a starting point for your email design, layout, and structure. If you already have a template you like, you can reuse it instead of starting from scratch. That saves time and keeps your branding consistent. Now select any template that fits the kind of email you want to send, then click Create Email. Mailchimp will open the editor and let you begin customizing the content. At this stage, you're building the actual message that your audience will receive, so it's important to make the layout clean, the text clear, and the call to action easy to understand. Once the email editor opens, click on Edit Design. This is where you can refine the visual and written parts of your campaign. You'll be able to adjust the images, change the body text, update buttons, and make sure everything looks professional on both desktop and mobile. Now go through your email carefully and edit the content accordingly. Review the headline, the opening sentence, the images, the button text, and the final call to action. Make sure the message is focused and easy to scan, because people usually decide within seconds whether they want to keep reading. Strong subject lines, clear wording, and a single purpose per email can make a big difference in open rates and engagement. If your email includes images, make sure they are relevant, compressed, and properly placed. If it includes text blocks, keep the wording direct and benefit-driven. If you have buttons, use clear action words like Learn More, Shop Now, or Read the Guide. Small improvements like these can help your email feel more polished and more compelling to your audience. After you finish editing the design, click Save and Exit. That stores your changes and brings you back to the campaign flow. At this point, you can review everything one more time before sending so you know the email is ready to go. It's always a good idea to double-check your content because even small mistakes can affect how your email performs. And that's the full process for using Mailchimp Content Optimizer style editing to build better emails and increase your chances of higher open rates. The key is to keep improving your content, make your message easier to read, and always send something that gives your audience real value. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.